Good day everyone! So I'll be sharing my reflection video with regards to the webinar last session. So una is to share the one most important lesson learned. So siguro yung lesson learned ko dito is yung sa introduction ni Teacher Ted, yung about sa word na loob. So kung gaano kagandang pagnilayan ang word na loob dahil ayon sa kanya it is actually an image of God and it means meaning. Kumbaga ito ay daigdig ng makabuluhang ang kamalayan at damdamin. So, pangalawa is to cite two surprising facts. Siguro yung unang facts dito sa akin is about the late, last, and lost. Kung naalala ko ng tama. Dahil, doon sa late, last, and lost, yun yung karaniwang nararamdaman or kumbaga, na pagdadaanan rin natin sa existential crisis. So, despite of being late, last, and lost, remember that you are being loved. So, siguro facts yun dahil nakasaad rin siya sa Biblia. So, pangalawang facts is about the relationship or building healthier relationship. Dahil, ayon nga kay Teacher Ted, our relationship is a window of divine, whether it is on the younger ones or the old people. It will reflect as to what kind of person you are and how you treat the others as well. So, pangatlo is to describe and explain three values derived from the webinar. So, siguro yung unang value is about compassionate connection. Siyempre, through compassionate connection, both elderly and younger generations, para maka-experience tayo ng greater emotional well-being and fulfillment dahil nga we'll be able to understand the sense of community and belonging. So, pangalawa is yung legacy preservation. So, syempre, yung mga elderly, sabi ni Teacher Ted, mahilig silang magkwento. So, when we honor them and preserve their legacies, sa pamagitan lang ng pakikinig sa kanila or i-document natin, ibig sabihin nito ay chine-cherish na natin yung contributions nila sa society. So, pangatlo is the wisdom of appreciation. Siyempre, yung mga elderly, nagpo-possess sila ng wealth of knowledge and experiences. So, kapag ni-recognize natin ito at binalue natin, siyempre, magkakakuha tayo ng aral na pwede rin nating may apply sa ating pagtanda or self-growth, kumbaga. About 4 specific and personal commitment, siguro yung unang commitment ko is to regularly visit and have quality time with the elderly. So, pangalawa is to document stories. So, this is with regards to the preservation of their legacy. So, we should document so we can share their stories. So, third is to do volunteer service. So, parang, I commit to do volunteer service dahil gusto ko rin maranasan kung anong naranasan ni Teacher Ted. Dahil para ang saya-saya ng feeling makipag-engage sa elderly community. So, last is to be to have advocacy and raise awareness. So, let's all make sure that our elderly people will feel belong to the community. So, we promote inclusivity dapat. Yun lang po. Salamat.